In this video, I will show you how to view all available hard drives and their partitions in Ubuntu using the terminal. We will use simple commands that are easy to remember. First, open the terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard, or you can search for terminal from the Applications menu. Now, type this command, lsblk, then press Enter. This command shows a list of all block devices. Block devices include hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, and their partitions. You will see names like SDA, SDA1, SDB, and so on. The main hard drive is usually SDA. Partitions are listed under it, such as SDA1 and SDA2. You can also see their size and mount points on the right side of the output. Next, if you want to check how much space is being used, you can type df-h. This command shows all mounted partitions with size, used space, and available space in a readable format. The H means human-readable. Now, for more detailed information, you can use this command, sudo fdisk-l. It may ask for your password. Type your password and press Enter. This command will display each disk, its size, and the type of partition table it uses. It also shows the file system and starting and ending points of each partition. These are the main commands to view hard drives and partitions on your Ubuntu system. You have now learned how to check all hard drives and partitions using the terminal. Thank you for watching.